The purpose of this video is to walk you through the process of installing the software that is required so that you can connect your laptop or computer to a Whiteman ride-on concrete trowel using the WST, also known as the Whiteman service tool. First, we must download and install the software from a company called Danfoss. The name of the software is called +1 Guide Service Tool. So first, make sure you're connected to the internet and open up a web browser like Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Google Chrome. Head up to the browser bar up here and type in powersolutions.danfoss.com. You don't need the www. Once the site loads, come over here to Products, slide down to +1 Guide. Once on this page, you want to click on Guide, Software, and License. Once on this page, you want to slide over and click on Request Form. When the page loads, you have to enter your information. Submit the query. You'll be automatically redirected to your +1 software download and license. The one you want to download is +1 Guide Service Tool, free service tool, right here. So once it downloads, you will need to locate the file. In this case, I've downloaded the zip file right to my desktop. I'm going to double click it, and here is the zip file. So I'm going to go ahead and run this. Run anyways. So now it says, welcome to the +1 Guide Service Tool Setup Wizard. So I'm going to click next, and then I'm going to click next, and I'm going to accept the agreement because I just got done reading it. I'm going to go ahead and install it, select the location, just going to use the default location. I'm going to create a desktop icon so I can easily access the service tool when I need it. I'm going to install it. Okay, here's the checkbox if you'd like to read the service tool README file. So I'm not going to read that. I'm going to click on Finish. And this is going to install, this next step will install the drivers. Okay, so we're going to walk through the same process, installing the drivers. I'm just going to say always trust. I'm going to install, and I'm going to click Finish. Once you have downloaded and installed the +1 service guide, you'll need to contact Multiquip Tech Support or your local Multiquip Field Service Manager to request the data file that you'll need to use in conjunction with the +1 Guide Service Tool. So if we go to the website service.multiquip.com and you go to contact us, you want to send an email into our technical support at multiquip.com. asking for the Whiteman Service Tool License Key Request Form that looks like this. So once you fill out this form and email it in to our tech support department, they will in turn turn around and email you back a few files, one of them being the 22708 rev.c or revision.c.p1d file. That is the data file that you will need to use in conjunction with the +1 guide service tool to connect the Whiteman trowels. You'll also receive back a license key. You'll need to be able to install the license key to be able to use this file. So let's go ahead and open up this service tool. So you can actually double click this and it'll actually open up the service tool. Once you launch it, it may ask you to select the gateway. So you want to select this gateway right here, CG150. Also, it's going to say no previous channel was selected. Please select a channel to use. What I like to say is try this first channel and select it, and if it loads up, we're good. Once you have opened the Whiteman data file and it finishes loading, you will still need to take a few more steps to finish. You will see the screen divided into two sections. On the center or main part of the screen, you should see a square divided into 4 sections with an MQ Multiquip logo in the upper left quadrant. On the left side, you will see a series of PDF files and some functions underneath that. The series of PDF files on the left are some of Whiteman's most important documents, including wiring diagrams, setup, adjust, and calibrate manuals, fault codes, etc. Please take the time to review these prior using this software. Included in the email that you just received from MQ Tech Support should be a data file currently named 22708 rev.c or 22708 revision.c. You'll also receive a Whiteman Service Tool software license key. You will need to plug this license key into the +1 guide service tool software to activate it. You will receive this key and data file after you fill out the form and send it in. Here is that form. Once you receive your license key, you will need to insert it. Go up to Tools and to License Manager. I've already copied the license, so I'm going to paste it in this square right here. So enter your license key and hit OK. You will see the license key show up right up here. You only need to do this once you activate your software. Click OK and you're ready to go. Thanks for choosing Multiquip.